the question posed by a viewer is what kind of security or background checks or any kind of background checks that USCIS does for my naturalization or citizenship application. And I'm Attorney Pandeli, and we're here at the law offices of Attorney LLC. And the typical background checks that are done by USCIS is through the FBI, and it's typically a name check where they go and look at all the different counties where you've lived, and that's in part why you're providing a 5-year history of where you've lived and worked, and so a name check in the different jurisdictions. And in addition to that, because you're giving fingerprints, they're also doing a fingerprint database matching check just to make sure there's nothing outstanding. If you have any questions about whether they look into other government agencies, like did you file your taxes, or what you sent to the IRS, or I don't know, Department of Health, or they don't typically do that, and so they don't have access to those records. Now, that's not to say that they will not have access to those records in the future, but I do not know. But one way to think about it is that besides the security checks that they do through the FBI, they also have their own internal files and kind of other things that you've stated in the past. And so just know that the applications that you've filed with USCIS, those are on file, and so they have the right to go back and look at everything you've sent and everything you've written. And so you want to make sure that those are clean and there's no issues there. There's no issues of misrepresentation and things like that, because it could cause you major concerns and even downright not only denial of U.S. citizenship, but they could place you literally in removal proceedings, another word for deportation proceedings. And that's covering, and in essence, that's what this video covers. That's what background checks that the USCIS does. Thank you for watching.